Welcome to the Fountain of Truth. Here you will get reliable information for your overall health and longevity from ages 25 to 100. Our videos will give you hacks to reverse aging, which starts at age 25, repair damage, prevent disease, keep your home safe, become fit, find mental peace, and more. I watched a video the other day that said coffee was bad, and another that said coffee was good. It's confusing. There's a lot of noise out there. Also, some videos are AI generated, and that's a problem YouTube is limiting for real, organic creators like us. I appreciate this a lot. Others are selling their products as solutions. When you realize you've watched a 15-minute advertisement, that's 15 minutes you can't get back. My name is Maggie, and I'm committed to being of service to you. So when you comment, I will reply. In Canada, Bill C-11 and C-18 are making it hard for us Canadian creators to be found by you. So please subscribe and hit the notification bell below. Oh, and don't forget to press the like button. Thanks for watching. See you in our first videos coming next. Bye-bye.